Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel Programming Knowledge Prime. So in the previous session we are discuss about the goto statement. So in today's session we will discuss about the break statement, continue statement and exit statement. So there are called some important statement which are used vividly in your programming C programming. Okay, so let's start. So what is the break statement? So the break statement is used to forcibly come out the flow of control, okay, from a single loop, or you can say the break statement is used to transfer the control to the end of a statement block in a loop, or it is used to come out from a single block. It is used to come out from a single block, the break. Okay. uh, so in the previous session we will discuss about this program. So in the same program I write the break statement. So what will be done, you see. Okay, if I write the break statement after the print statement, so what will be done, let's see. After compiling my program, then execute my program, so what will be done, 0 and here. Why 0 and here? If you see, the 0, the first answer is 0 and the second answer is here. So what is the reason? The only reason is when the underlying compiler, okay, or you can say that when the flow of control will enter this loop, enter the while block, the while value is initializing 0. So then it will print the 0 value. After the printing the 0 value, when the underlying compiler or the C, okay, underlying compiler C, the break statement. The break statement immediately get out. Okay, get out the flow of control outside this loop. Or the break statement forcibly get out this flow of control, or you can the flow of control of this program out this loop, out this while block. Okay, so when this statement is come out this block, then it will see the printf here. So after that it will printing the here. It will be usage of the break statement. So the break statement is used to transfer the control to the end of the statement block in a loop, or it is used to come out from a single block. Okay, in this statement I use the continue. So what will be done, the loop will go to the infinite loop. Why? I discuss after execute my program. If you see here, if you see the cursor, it is goes to down 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 down. What is the reason? So the only reason is with the when we use this continue statement, the continue statement. So what is the continue statement? The continue statement, the definition of the continue statement is used to transfer the control to the beginning of a statement block. Okay, so I repeat this. The continue statement is used to transfer the control to the beginning of a statement block. The continue statement is used to transfer the control to the beginning of a statement block. So I describe what is the flow of control. When the underlying compiler see this, or when the flow of control, when the condition will give the true value, then the flow of control will enter this loop. It will printing by. When it see the continuous statement is go to send the flow of control at the beginning of the loop. It means that at the while loop. Okay, at the while loop. Here the I will initializing 0. So it means that and again and again and again it will send the flow of control at the beginning of the loop. For this cause, after printing this value, it will, after printing this, it will again and again initializing and again printing. So in this case, it will printing a infinite zero. Okay. If you place the continue statement, okay, above the printf, so what will be done? There is no printing. No printing will done. Sorry. No printing. If you understand what I can say, I hope you understand. Okay. So after the continuous statement is transfer the control at the beginning of the block. Okay. So after this we use the exit statement. Okay. So what is the exit statement? So the exit statement is used to transfer the control at the end of a program or to terminate the programming execution. Okay. It will two type of termination. First one is the normal termination and second one is the abnormal termination. But when you use the exit statement, I write this exit. Okay. Remember that when you use the exit statement, you also include your program the stdlib.h header file. Remember that when you if you does not include this header file in your program, so the compiler immediately gives you an error message. Okay, so the compiler immediately gives you an error message if you does not include this header file stdlib.h in your program. Okay, so the exit, what is the usage of the exit statement? Babu? So the exit statement is used to transfer the control to the end of a program. I repeat this: the exit function or the exit statement, the exit function or statement, the exit function is used to transfer the control to the end of a program. The exit function is used to transfer the control to the end of a program. To terminate the programming execution. It means it will terminate the program. Okay, or it will terminate the program. End. It will end the program. Okay. If I execute this, if you see 0, and it will terminate the program. Suppose if you see after printing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 9, 9, 9. After the printf here will print, but if you use this exit 0, so the normal termination after printing the 0, the program will be terminated. Okay, the program will be terminated. Suppose if you does not write the stdlib.h, so what the compiler immediately, if you see here the red color or here in this below, exit was not declared in the scope. If it means that the usage or the what is the work function of a exit statement, it will be include in the stdlib.h header file. So until or unless if you does not include this header file in your program, so the compiler give you an error message. Okay, I hope you understand. The compiler gives you an error message. The exit 0 is used for normal termination. The 1 is for or non-zero value is for abnormal termination. It means it will goes to the infinite loop and normal termination. Okay, it is used the exit 1 is it is used to the abnormal termination. Okay, suppose if you in your program, suppose in this particular statement, after this particular if you terminate your program, so in this particular point And in this particular case, you can use the exit statement. But you remember, when you can use the exit statement, you always include a header file. Okay, the name of this header file is stdlib.h. Okay, so let's stop here. So I hope you understand my session. So if you have any query about this session, please comment me in the comment box. So I again tell you to all of you, please subscribe my channel. It will motivate me to make more videos. Okay. So thank you. Stay safe.